I can't look if you're... Look! He has it on video. You gotta walk up to it. So the show started at 8 and it's 8:01 and they're still not playing yet. They're late. We're so bad. We're so bad.
The book is off, y'all. Feels good to be back. We are Pocket Knife Dance Party. Make some motherfucking noise! Back here on the drums, we got Jeremy, Bobby, Big Cole. Make some noise for Jeremy! Over here on the left, we got Eric Hasselman. Make some noise! And I'm Jordan, y'all. I'll be your host this evening. I always find something wrong. You've been playing with the shit just playing too long. Oh, you find what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a tone. So it's really decent. So it's really assholes. I'm a toast for this man. Everyone of them and I know. Now I'm close for the truck out. That'll never take work out. Hey, I gotta live. Runaways doesn't do it. Too much there. Oh, let's redo that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Too much there. For my fan. Go way up and down and now and then. Too much alcohol. Take advantage. No one cares at all about the planet. Now he's somebody else. Oh, broken dream. I cannot promise that it's easy. I cannot tell you how I felt. You've got too many mouths to feed. You almost never feed yourself. Hey, oh. To be sorry if I thought that you would change your mind, but I know that deep down I have said too much, too much time. I used to laugh about it, I even all over dying. I used to laugh about it, all the tears in my wife. At your feet, it made forgiveness feel good. Every time that you come over, I never want you to leave me over. I used to laugh about it, I used to tears in my eyes. I used to laugh about it, I got the tears in my eyes.
That's on Vegas.
Hey!
Alright, this one's called Too Afraid.
I don't wanna see you through if you wanna see watching while we are. Does he ever do what you say? You stand out of I for your head. You never thought I just understand. You stand out of I for your head. You never thought I make some fucking noise, tell me how you got there, boy. Money on a bed, and you do. Say how you got there, boy. Just like you, I make excuses.
I got a lot of sweat in my eyes right now, I swear.
And some water thrown at that flash too. And shout out to Hotbox, make some noise for them! That's it, we got another unreleased song. Like you said, there's not much to choose from release-wise right now. So here's the new one, it's called Stereo Escape. Same like my friends from the back when my buddies took home. Saw a crowd in my house, blow up and fall asleep on the sofa. Baby, you think that we can change? Really just the pain got over. It's the opposite of that. You only want it back 'cause it's over. There's nothing wrong, my friend. There's nothing wrong. You could jump out the window. Giving up is not that simple. So stay if you wanna escape, if you need to. Day in Nirvana, can't wait to meet you. I don't want another choice, wanna hear you when you say you want me forever, forever, the last of time. So tied together, and I'm not going anywhere. You are my lover, I will be your lover, and you're speaking different languages in your sleep. Only liar in the room is on the TV. So I get high and come up with these conspiracies. Maybe you don't love me, maybe you don't trust me. Stay if you wanna escape, if you need to. Take Nirvana, I can't wait to meet you. I don't want another choice, wanna hear you when you say so tied together, and I'm not doing anymore. You are my lover, I will be your lover. Please turn on this place. I appreciate it. I wanna be your forever. These days I want us to try to live life however we like to. I wanna be here forever with you, forever with you. There's nothing wrong, my friend. There's nothing wrong. Jump out the window, giving up is not that simple. So excited to release that song. It's so like such a vibe, guys. Oh my god. Hey. Not a vibe, no.
set. On the ramble, we got one more song. It's a cover. It's by a band. We're gonna take like a 10-minute break after this, maybe 15, depends on how many times Jordan throws up. That's what he does. He's a baller. After that, we're gonna do a little switcheroo on stage. Give you some more bangers. Give me the, you ready? You ready, boy? That your hair looks so cool right now. Songs by Cage the Elephant. I don't know if you've heard of him.
Innocent all my life. I don't wanna have my flaws, I'd rather keep them in my life. I wanna criticize school night, acting up the school. Finally, at the state, say the rock is on the front and say the living is on the house. I'm doing that drugs. They get the really fucking hard. They can't on my side, but they don't know the news. It's just in my friends who look at me. On a deal, right out the other. We're talking shit. One year, right out the other.
Thank you guys. I don't care if you leave after this set. Thank you for coming.
I do. Please stay, guys.
Please stay. Please stay.
It gets even awesome.
Really quick. Go get some t-shirts. We got merch out right now. Make some fun.
Wait till the song's over. Wait till the song.
Alright, but what I was getting to,
Sorry, I'll shut up.
I don't know what getting crazy looks like for y'all, but I want to look crazy with y'all and like get that energy with us. And basically, you'll know your time. You'll know your time. But everybody's like, oh shit.
Hey! Andrew, I like your haircut.
We don't do it for the glory, we don't do it for the money, we don't do it for the fame. So I'm gonna put it to the spot. Go ahead and criticize me already. One, two, three, go! One, everybody got the other. Talking and then I get
10 minutes.
Stay tuned, stay near. Go smoke a cigarette.
Yeah?
Go smoke a cigarette.
10 minutes.
American Spirits on me. Yeah, it feels pumpkin. Come on.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. 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 Tonight's gonna be a good Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. road.